Day 6. Still lost at lake. Have no idea which way the wind will blow. Any words, comments, concerns?
It was only supposed to be a 3-hour tour.
3-hour tour. A 3-hour tour.
The ship was tossed.
For the current of the field, let's pull the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. So we've got some buoys. I don't know what those say.
No sailing.
Is that what they say? Because that would be good.
They say slow wake.
Oh.
No wake zone.
Well, we're good then. Just don't run into the buoy. Please.
You mean like we're about to do now?
Yes. I would rather not do that. Thank you.
We're supposed to slack the buoy as we go by.
Please don't run into it though. I can slap it if that makes you happy, but I just don't want to hit it.
Like that?
You say. Yay! We passed the buoy. I am okay in my life without slapping a buoy. I will be happy.
You haven't lived until you slap the buoy.
Haven't lived. You've heard it here. Paul Cook, you haven't lived until you slapped a buoy. How many buoys have you slapped, Mr. Cook?
One.
One. And now you've lived?
Now I've lived.
Okay.
I haven't sailed.
You haven't sailed? What are we doing now if this isn't sailing?
This is giving up.
I think this is sailing. We sailed for a long time. A long time.
Yeah, I just couldn't make the boat go where I wanted it to go.
But now we're going where we want to go. And now I can pee. And I needed to pee for a while.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Quite alright. Can we get out here? Is it possible?
Yeah, I was hoping we could.
It'd be good. Maybe like right here. If it's shallow enough.